Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. We are back with another video. In this video, we will learn about how to download Python in our Kali Linux machine, virtual machine. So let's start without wasting our time. We need to open our terminal. And by opening our terminal, first of all, as we all know, we have already installed Python in Kali Linux. For checking that, we need to write this command python 3, and we need to write this command python 3 and version. You can see that we have python 3.1 2.7. We have this version. We have already installed python. Now what we need to do, we need to go here, and we need to search for python, and we need to search for available Python program, like what's the latest program is right now in Python. Here you can see that we have latest Python 3.13. Okay, we have latest Python 3.13. In order to download this, you need to click on this download. As I have already downloaded this, let me show you. Let me show you. I have already download this Python program. Here you can see that Python 3.13. Okay, what you need to do, just click on this and it will be downloaded in your machine. And the next step, what you need to do, you need to update your system. First of all, you need to update your system, because sometimes your system is not up to date, and it will hinder your progress in installing Python. For updating your system, you need to write this command sudo update, and I hope so you can see here sudo sudo app upgrade, and here you need to enter your password, and it will start working. Okay, it will start working, it will start updating your system. Okay, so after updating your system, as you can see that it is taking some time. So after updating your system, what you need to do, you need to install required dependencies. i will also I will also add the link in the description. I will also add all the commands in the description, so you can easily install Python by just copy pasting that commands in your Kali Linux machine. I hope so things are going good now. So as we have, it is taking some time, so we need to wait for a while. And for that, let me show you another command what we need to do. Okay, it is taking some time, so we will not disturb that. And here, after installing required, we need to do, we need to download Python source. As we have already downloaded Python source in our downloads directory. And after downloading, the important thing is, after downloading, what you need to do, here you can see that I am coming, you need to extract. Here you need to click on and extract here. As I have already extracted, you will see this type of folder after extracting. Okay, so after downloading, you need to extract the source code. As we have already extracted the source code, now we need to navigate the source directory. We need to find in which directory we have this Python file. So for navigating, as you all know, we will see cd. First of all, we will go into downloads. As we know, our file is in downloads, and in downloads we will list all the things. As we know, we have these files in downloads. We will enter this cd python cd python 3.13.0 sorry 3.13.0. Okay, we need to click on this python. Oh, sorry, I have missed this python. You cannot do even capital letter mistake. So what we need to do, 3.13.0 cipher. Okay, it is saying that we have no this command. I'm making spelling mistake. I am really sorry. Again, we will see Python 3.13.0 and click on it. Okay, we are back in our Python. We have all successfully navigated into our Python directory. Now, what we need to do, the important point, we need to configure. We need to configure the build. But we need to enter command configure. I hope so you are getting my point. Enable optimizations. Okay, it is making an error. Let me try it again. Configure, sorry, configure enable we have made it a mistake, and that mistake was we haven't entered this, and we need to go back and enter. Yes, it is started. After completing this, finally your Python will be ultimately installed in your kalilinux virtual machine. Okay, so as I am not making it, as I have already installed, so I will go again and I will see you. I will check that I have already installed Python, and for verification what you need to do, you need to check python 3. This is the command which will help you to check the version. I am again making the mistake. Let me again. Spelling mistake should not be done. Python 3. Okay, sorry. Sorry. Okay, so for installation, for verification, we need to enter Python 3.13 as we installed the version. I think. Okay. So let me check it again. It will take your time. Ultimately, it will take your time, but we need Python. I hope so. I'm writing it correct, and we need to check the version. Yes, we have this version 3.1.27. As I have not, I haven't installed 3.13 version because it will take so much time, and it will it will be a 1 hour's video. So this is how you will download Python in your Kali Linux, and I will add all the commands in the description so that you can use all that commands, and ultimately you can easily download Python in your Kali Linux machine. I hope so you guys have enjoyed this video. If you liked if you think you'll have learned something new in this video, you can click on the like button, and if you think this channel is enough in providing good information, you can click on the subscribe button, and if you have any suggestions, you can give your suggestion in the comment section. See you soon. Bye.